Zimbabwean Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga's former wife, Mary Mubaiwa, has lost her assets in upmarket residential property and luxury cars in Pretoria, South Africa, after they were forfeited to the state. Sabina mashoko awachitikocha sirisavan. Chonwa kunzi property ya Mary Mubaiwa yofifitwa the state was subscribe wala ikatonda bele konchimta mnamobla kwa mchinzi. Mubaiwa lost a residential property in Pretoria and the 2 Range Rovers is the High Court of South Africa ruled that they were proceeds of crimes linked to money laundering and illicit financial flows. The National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe issues the statement. National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe Mary Mubaiwa forfeiture order granted by Gauteng High Court, South Africa. The National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe NPAZ wishes to acknowledge and commend the recent ruling handed down by the High Court of South Africa Gauteng Division, Pretoria, under case number 6431/22, in which a forfeiture order was granted against assets belonging to Miss Mary Mubaiwa, a Zimbabwe national and person of interest in ongoing criminal investigations. The court order issued on 5 December 2022 by Honorable Justice J.J. Stridom declared the following properties forfeited to the South African state in terms of Section 48 of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act. 2 Range Rover bearing registration numbers HJ40 JNGP XH615 GGP respectively. These assets, previously placed under a preservation order on 9 February 2022, were linked to the alleged proceeds of unlawful activities, including money laundering and illicit financial flows. The High Court ordered that the said properties be placed under the custody of an auctioneer, with proceeds of the public sale to be directed towards compensation the victim or victims of the offense. One of the forfeited vehicles was recently auctioned, with the proceeds set to be transferred to the victims. Doma shukaripo panguwa ine anokonzi ayo Mary Mubaiwa otiseva state news uchinzi ayo property yake yofifitiwa to the state uchinzi aiwa those properties yakanga iri result aiwa yema illicit financial flows and money laundering. Comment section medu kuti mafungo enyu motolibva pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.